Hi there, I'm Ben, an RV technician here at Lichtsinn RV. Today I'm going to show you how to de-winterize a Winnebago 24T. It's actually really easy. De-winterizing any coach is actually pretty easy. Couple things we're going to need to get started is water, of course. You got to run water through the system. So we got our hose here. I have pre-put water in this a little bit in the tank already. So what I want you to do is I do want you to run some through the tank and also hook up to the actual city fill and run a little bit through there. We're just trying to push all the antifreeze out of the system. So I put some in the tank already. So we'll do that. And then the other thing you may need is, depending on how you left your coach after you winterized, either a screw gun or just a Phillips screwdriver, one or the other. And all that's for is just to take this panel off to where we have a couple valves and winterizing lines under here. We just want to make sure the valves are in the right position, in the closed position. So on this one, it actually is facing towards the outside door for our line drain for our Truma. And then for the winterizing hose, it actually is just facing in line. We just don't want it facing towards this hose here. So if we have that facing in line and then that one facing towards the outside, everything's closed. And then also there's 3 drains down here. We have a tank drain and then low point drains. We want to make sure those are all closed also. So once you have all those closed and water in your tank, what I like to do is if we have all the faucets, everything closed inside, I start out here in the water compartment here. And then all I'll do here, take the hose out, turn my water pump on, and then we'll run through the hot first. What we're looking for is just a nice, steady, clean stream coming out. So once you don't see any more pink from the antifreeze, shut the hot off. We'll go to cold. Same thing, we're just bleeding that antifreeze out of there. Just like that, nice steady stream in there. Go like that, and we'll just let that drip. Okay, now we will go inside and we'll flush all the antifreeze out of the inside faucets. Okay, now that we're inside, what we're gonna do is we'll start here at the kitchen faucet. Same thing as we did outside. We're gonna just open it up. Hot and cold, we'll do one at a time. Open the hot till you just get a nice steady stream of clear water coming out. And again, you can flush as much water as you want through the system just to push more out. There, and then we'll go over to the cold side and just push it out to get all that pink out of there. And sometimes it's gonna take a little bit. We are pushing it through the drinking water filter that's down here. That's the canister, so that's holding a little bit of antifreeze. And then we're also pushing it through the Truma, which is holding some antifreeze, so we gotta get all that pushed out of there also. So let that go, nice and clear there. All right, now we'll come into the bathroom, and we're gonna do the same thing in the bathroom. And we'll start with the bathroom sink. Again, go hot. Like that, and then we'll go over to cold. And again, I'm just running them for a little bit here, but you can run them for a lot longer if you want to. That's nice and clear coming out. Same thing, we'll go down to the toilet. And just open the toilet. Just let the antifreeze come out. And there we go. And last but not least in here, we will go to the shower. So just pull the shower down. Same thing. Turn on a little bit to get cold. Turn on all the way to get the hot let out. Okay. Right there. And then one more thing I want to show you that's in here, in the closet actually, back there. So this is actually a bypass valve that we talk more about in our winterizing video. If it's facing straight up, it's actually in bypass. If it's facing in line with the line, that's normal operation. So for de-winterizing, I would like it to be in normal operation, facing with the line. That allows the water to flow into the water heater and to push all the antifreeze out. So after we've been inside and we've pushed all the antifreeze out at all the fixtures and everything, I usually like to go back outside, run a little bit more water through the outside faucet, and then hook up to a pressurized source of water and run water through the city fill. And that's just in case there was a little bit of extra antifreeze in there. We're just pushing that through, making sure we get it all out of there. So other than that, other than pushing all the antifreeze out and everything, that's pretty much all there is to de-winterizing. It's really easy. Once you push it all out, that's all you have to do.